Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to disconnect Google Photos from OneDrive. By the end of this video, you'll know how to fully break the link between your two accounts, which means your pictures will stop syncing or copying from Google into your OneDrive storage space. This is especially helpful if you're worried about clutter on your OneDrive conserving space, or you simply want to keep your photo libraries separate. So let's dive in. First things first, if you've recently used the import tool on the OneDrive website to bring your Google Photos over, you'll want to disconnect that cloud-to-cloud link right from within OneDrive. Here, how to go about it step by step. Start by opening your web browser and heading over to OneDrive.com. Make sure you're signed in with the same Microsoft account you used when you imported those Google Photos. This is important because the settings we need are tied to whichever account did the importing, so double-check you're on the right login if you have several accounts. Once you're signed in, look up at the top right corner of the page for the familiar gear icon. That's your settings button. Go ahead and click on that. You'll see a small drop-down appear and you'll need to click Settings again from this list. Sometimes companies like to hide the more advanced options a layer deeper, so don't worry if this feels like an extra step. Now in the Settings menu, look over to the left-hand side. You'll notice a sidebar with several categories. Find and click on Import Cloud Photos and Files. This is specifically where OneDrive manages any outside connections used to pull in files or images from other cloud services like Google. Inside this area, scroll down to the Import History section. Here, you'll see a list of cloud services you've connected to OneDrive, such as Google Drive or Google Photos. This section is almost like an address book of recent connections. If you don't see Google Photos here, that likely means there's no active connection and nothing else you need to do. But if you do see an entry for Google Drive or Google Photos, that's our target. Next to each connected service, you'll see three little dots, that classic More Options menu. Click on those three dots next to Google Photos. A small menu will pop up and you want to select Disconnect from Google Drive. OneDrive separates out Google services sometimes, so don't worry if it lists Google Drive instead of Google Photos. It still means the same connection used for importing photos. Once you click Disconnect from Google Drive, a confirmation box will appear. This is just to double check that you really want to break the connection. Go ahead and click Disconnect again to confirm. Don't worry, this will stop future imports, but won't affect photos you've already copied over. Those will stay safe in your OneDrive unless you manually remove them. The only thing changing here is the active sync between Google and OneDrive. And that's all there is to it. You've now successfully disconnected Google Photos from your OneDrive account. Remember, it might take a moment for changes to show, so give it a few minutes if things don't look different right away. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please hit that like button to let me know. Have any questions or run into a tricky part, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. And if you want more easy-to-follow tech tutorials like this, be sure to subscribe so you never miss a tip. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.